Everyone, welcome back to Messy and Beautiful. I'm Sarah Jane. Thanks for joining me for another video. So I'm going to be starting the next sort of week of unboxing my advent calendars. I have got L&B Makes, Peach Puddles Co and Mundane Sunday. So they're very different planner shops. So if you haven't seen the earlier videos, Peach Puddles Co have a lot of like celestial type stuff as well as some characters. Mundane Sunday is very character heavy. And L&B Makes is more of like a functional type calendar, because I ordered the like best sellers or like most popular things that she stocks. So yeah, they're all quite different calendars. So this is Peach Puddles Co for the 16th of December, which is, oh, little gratitude jars, very cute. I'm not sure I like the colours around the edge of that. It's the only thing. I'm not really an orange person, but that's just personal preference. I like the actual sticker itself. I think the idea is amazing and I am still going to use them. So there we go. Can't like everything, can't please everyone all the time. And this is Mundane Sunday, which feels a bit... Oh! So it says, I'll read it to you first. Reach for the stars. Anything is possible if you believe in yourself. Wear this bracelet or keep it in a safe space to remind yourself that your goals and dreams are achievable. That's really cute. So this has really resonated with me because this is the branding colours for my shop, and my shop is called Scribbles by Starlight. So I sort of have a little feeling of this was meant to be. It's meant to receive this year. Really cute. I don't know if everybody got the same thing. I'm assuming everybody got the same thing. It just feels like a massive coincidence that that is what was today. Not that the 16th of December is a significant day for me by date or anything like that, but I just feel like the whole premise of the thing is really... I'm a little bit overwhelmed, I'm not going to lie. You know when you have a feeling about stuff? I feel like I've got a feeling about this. Because I was also thinking about my word of the year today as well. So kind of fitting, a little bit strange. Anyway, I'm going to move on from that because you don't want to hear me ramble on about things. So this is L&B Makes. Again, some more scripts from her. Didn't wear my pyjamas all day. Brilliant. Got somewhere on time. Never happens. I am never going to use that sticker. Shaved my legs finally. Yep. I wore a bra today. This is good. I like these. Very fitting of the last year that we've had, or 2 years, or whatever it is. There we go. So day 16 on my advent calendars. I have to say, I think that's one of my favourite things so far. Anyway, there we are. So 17th of December. Trotting on through another week quite quickly, aren't we? Right, oh cute. L&B Makes. These are typewriter stickers. I really like them. I like the colour. I wish I had a typewriter. It's one of those things that I've thought about buying a few times, but I'm like, I'm never going to use it. Don't buy it. What a waste of money. But very cute. I like those. And then this is Peach Puddles Co, which looks like her bath bomb stickers because I can see through the paper. Right. Yeah, they are. Oh, cute. And they've got little hollies on the top. I like those. Not sure of the orange. I'm not feeling the orange. But I'm not an orange person. If you're an orange person, you might love these. But they're cute little bath bomb stickers. And then this one's Mundane Sunday. Which is... You keep getting 2 sheets. This is amazing. So, I'm a ray of fucking sunshine and a shitstorm is brewing. Excellent. Love them. Brilliant. I'd love to know what the like non-sweary version is. So a storm is brewing and I'm a ray of sunshine, I'm guessing. Probably. It's probably that simple, isn't it? I'm probably overcomplicating it. Again, 2 sheets of stickers in a day. I think this, like the amount of stuff you're getting in a Monday, Sunday calendar is amazing. Right, there we go. So that is the 17th of December. So here we go, 18th of December. I've put them this way because I can sort of see through the tissue paper. So I thought I didn't really want it coming up on camera until I got to that one. But anyway, so Peach Puddles Co first today, which are, oh cute, little Christmas lights, or just fairy lights if you like fairy lights. I do actually like fairy lights all year round, So there we go. Oh, it's a bit shadowy on this side. I could keep mucking around with my lighting. Oh well, never mind. I've started now, so I'll continue. It's only a short video, isn't it? Right, so L&B Makes is the next one. Some arrows in all different directions. Again, a very functional calendar. Right. I have no issues with those actually, because I do actually doodle stuff like that, so I'm sure I'll find a use for the stickers too. And then the last one is Monday and Sunday. Ah, you can see through the tissue on both sides. Close my eyes. Oh my God. Was this designed specifically for me? I feel like this was all designed for me. Oh, amazing. So these are like journal cards, I think, or like prints. Oh, sorry, I've got a real bad cold at the minute, so I sound really chesty and horrible. Too many planners, mind your own fucking business. Love it. That's really cool. And the other one, all I want is a nice cuppa and to be left the fuck alone. This is why I got the sweary one, because I'm really tickled by this. Again, Brian is one of my favourites. I love this. Sorry, I sound like I'm dying, don't I? Oh, I sound really unwell. Anyway, I love this. That's brilliant. I am so showing my husband these in the morning. I think I need to frame that and put it on my office door. That'd be amazing. Probably offend everybody, including my boss, but you know, here we go. Maybe I'll put that on the door of my new craft shed or something. Either way. Right, so 18th of December. Brilliant. Well done, Monday and Sunday. Love them. Right. I'll be back on the 19th with another one. Welcome back to my unboxing. I have basically lost the plot a little bit. I didn't get a chance to film as much as I would like. I've been incredibly busy with work over the last few days. It is now 10:30 on Christmas Eve. As you can probably tell by how late my last Advent unboxing was uploaded, this one is probably going to be posted Christmas Day, maybe Boxing Day. And I'm going to just finish opening my advent calendars, because otherwise they're just going to sit there and I'm never going to get round to it. So I hope you enjoy this last few days. I'm a little bit disappointed I didn't get to enjoy it every single day this week, but at the same time, that's just life, isn't it? Sometimes you can't control what happens. I'm going to move the boxes out of the way. The first advent I'm going to do, and I'm just going to literally pick an advent and go right through, is L&B Makes. So L&B Makes was 24-day calendar of bestsellers. So this is day 19, daily step count. Very cute, nice and functional again. Day 20. I'm going much faster now. I'm doing them like straight after each other. Some header strips. The colours match the other boxes and things we've got. I quite like that it has been consistent. That's really nice. So sick day. I don't think I actually have any sick day stickers. I've got like lazy day and, you know, nap time and that sort of thing. I don't think I've actually got sick day. Not that I'm sick very often. I've said that now, haven't I? Right, so day 22. Oh, this will be good for me. So they're like habit trackers, but they're for TV shows. I always start shows, get halfway through a series, decide I want to watch something else, and start something else. I am the sort of person that is that disorganised that I just forget what I was watching, jump around, and I never finish anything. So actually this might be good to do like a whole page of the different ones I'm watching and then just tick off how far I've got. Give me some ideas there, that's good. That's a day 23. Haircut and hair wash day. I don't have haircuts very often. I'll probably only use 2 of those next year. Maybe that could be a goal, have some more haircuts. Day 24, oh cute. Some pretty foil, it's like rose gold foil on some page flags. They're really nice. And those flags, the colours of them match the kit of the other ones. That sheet's smaller. Unusual, never mind. So there we go. That's the rest of L&B Makes. So the next calendar I've got is Peach Puddles Co. Take that out of the way. Let's move all those envelopes. packaging everywhere. Right, so day 19 is, oh, some more movie boxes. I say more because I got some in the L&B Mates calendar. I like these, they're like little ticket stubs, that's cute. Very pretty. Oh, this one feels quite sturdy. This one is, oh, a washi card. And actually, it's another metal one. So, who was it? Little Pencil Designs did this one last year. And I really love it because I like the feel of it. It gives a real sharp edge. And now I've got two, which is wonderful. I really like that. That's going to be really useful. And then day 21. Just some washi strips. Cute. Purple with holly. Oh, I really like those. They're really nice. Day 20. Oh, that was day 21. Sorry. Day 22. Oh, it's Poe with the flowers. Oh, it'll match the little Hallie one. That's cute. So you've got a matching pair. Day 23. Some flower stickers. Look like just some tulips in a little vase. They'll be nice in springtime. And the last one, day 24, is the signature Hallie jar die cut. Oh. And it's got the hollow overlay with Hallie with her little flowers in her hair again. That's cute. I like that. I think that's probably my favourite item actually in the whole thing. Not that I dislike the stickers and the jar die cuts because I do actually have a collection of those, so that's really cool. Right, and the last one is warning, sweary warning. I ordered the sweary calendar. So the last calendar is Monday and Sunday. This has been my favourite calendar so far, actually, and I have a feeling I know what one of these things is, but I'm going to open the rest of it. So this is why I thought I'd save it till last, because it was my favourite one. If I can get past the massive stickers on these bags without ripping what's inside. Here we go. So the first one is more stickers. Oh, like little hydrate stickers. I don't think I've seen like so each of the characters have like a personality and she attaches the personality to the character, which I really like. But I don't think I know who this one actually is. It must be a newer one. Or I've just not been paying that much attention recently. But very cute, I like that. Oh, day 20 feels quite bulky. Like there's quite a lot in here. Oh, cute. So it's a little writing set. You get some lined paper, envelopes and little stickers as well. I'm not actually a pen paller, so I don't know if I will ever use this, which is a shame because it is really cute and really pretty. But maybe like thank you notes and that sort of thing, who knows. So day 21. That's really different though, I do like that. I've had quite a lot of different products in this calendar. Is some skunk stickers that say this shit stinks. I like those, they're quite funny. Day 22. Oh, little bookmark of the new hedgehog. I like it. Oh, should have been that way up to start with, never mind. She does quite a few of those in the shop actually, like all the different characters, different designs, holding a book, holding a planner, which is pretty cool. So if you like that style of bookmark, the like magnetic ones, so go check it out. This feels like another vinyl. Oh, a little snow globe with them both inside. That's cute. I really like that. I don't know what to do with vinyl stickers. What do you do with them? Put them on your planner, obviously, but what else? Give me some tips. Brilliant. I expected this. So this is day 24 and it's a sticker album. This is what I was expecting by the feel of it once I took it out of the box. I'm just going to rip off the plastic. And it's one of the smaller ones, so the 4x6 albums, which I prefer. I actually have quite a few of these, and I did ask for one for Christmas as well, so now I have two, which is pretty cool. There's no such thing as too many stickers, which is true. It says Monday and Sunday on the side, and don't touch my fucking stickers on the back. That's almost like the sign I need on all my stuff for my daughter, but quite a lot of pockets in there as well. So you get 2 rounds of maybe 60 pockets, I'm assuming, 15 on each like section. That's pretty cool, because I am planning on having a reorganisation in the new year. I'm really pleased with that. This advent calendar, this Monday and Sunday one, was totally worth the money. Letter writing set as well. I think that I have got the most stuff for my money out of this calendar. I have also really loved the variety of products, and I am going to show you my favourite product again, just because it made me laugh so much with my A5 ones, and I think that one is probably the one for me. But there we go. So that finishes off my advent calendars. It will probably be Christmas Day by the time I've actually finished filming this. I'm just going to put a few bits and pieces in here. Thank you very much to L&B Makes, Peach Puddles Co and Monday and Sunday for the fantastic advent calendars. I hope you all have a wonderful Christmas, however you're spending it. And then it brings you a lot of joy and happiness, particularly after last year's fiasco. Merry Christmas, everyone. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. I'll leave my handle down below. And thanks very much for joining me. Merry Christmas. Bye.